Okay. So next patient presented to the poor aesthetics of the teeth. Simultaneously, she suffered from the severe headaches and the back pain. She had old prosthetic crown on the tooth 2-1. Please note the unilateral pathological wear, as I assume the old crown was matched to the length of the teeth before. Okay. Here we can see the intraoral photographies. Please, this is the intraoral scans. Please notice that even in habitual occlusion, the patient does not have evenly distributed bilateral occlusion. I wonder if this situation developed over the time or the bridge was poorly made from the beginning. Nonetheless, the fact remains that the patient had to shift her jaw to the right every single time she wanted to bite down. We designed the smile in the program according to the principles of DSD. At this stage, it's worth taking back the patients and showing them the project and choosing the style of the teeth in accordance with the patient's preferences. The program works based on the flat photo, but it generates the three-dimensional STL files that the technicians can use in ExoCAD. I wish in the next few months, RayFace software will allow us something similar. Okay. On this slide, you can see the registration of occlusion in the position of neuromuscular equilibrium or the central relation. As in the previous case, we achieved this by deprogramming the patient with the composite attached to the incisor teeth of the maxilla. The patient should be deprogrammed so that the height of the deprogrammer is close to expected one and the height of the prosthetic work. Here you can see the project in 3D form at this stage. It must be already prepared in full occlusion and its aesthetic shape. It's a great time to call the patient back to get the final acceptance. Usually, we discuss this stage online. At the preliminary stage, I also removed the old crown and make the temporary one from structural material. Over the right incisor and the canine, I performed a correction of the gum level by simply detaching the flap and periosteum in the case of teeth 1, 2, and 1, 3, and detaching the flap and perform the gentle osteotomy through the pocket, obtaining respectively 0.5 in the case of teeth 1, 2, and 1, 3, and 1 mm in the case of tooth 1, 1. Okay, and you can see the results. Here we can see the preparation. Please let's compare the minimal invasive preparation due to designing with facial scanner and the old one preparation. Anyone see the difference? Here you can see the intraoral scans also and photos of the work done by our beloved laboratory. We now see photos taken a few months after prosthetic work was cemented. The patient has stopped complaining of headaches and also report the disappearance of the symptoms such as nocturnal grinding. The condition of gums is very good and the aesthetics effects also seem good. Here you can see the photos and the smile. So let's go to another case. Here we can see the poor aesthetics. And I will show you something that's completely changed my method. I thought that I know everything about facial scanner, but months ago, I made something different. This is the condition of the teeth, and we made the design. Technicians sent me the file, and I thought that something is wrong with it. But we argued a little because I thought that the teeth from the both sides have not the similar length. To prove that, we generated the mean line using right face and generated the papillary line. We transferred the position of the interpapillary line to the edges of the central incisors and transfer it to exocad. And it showcases us that the left lateral incisor and the left canine are too short. Then we generated the other lines to the exocad, and this is the file we have worked with. Here you can see the corrected design, where the teeth from the both sides have unilateral sizes. So here you can see the corrected design, where the teeth from both sides have unilateral sizes. And this is last case where we have used the planes also. This is the implantological case. Let's see that we designed the teeth using that planes, and the outcome is significantly better. Here you can see the file we are working with. We can turn on or turn off the layers to make it easier, so we can work only in the models. This is how it looks like. And here we can see the results the day after screwing the work. Thanks you for watching. I wish it was useful. I want to thank the whole Ray team for the invitation. I wish it was useful for you, and I wish and I hope that we meet somewhere on a congress. So see you next time. Thank you.